Hello friends, today we have to prove if GCD of A and 4 is equal to 2 and GCD of B and 4 is also 2, then GCD of A plus B and 4 is equal to 4. Now see its solution. So here, see GCD of A and 4 is equal to 2. So 2 is GCD of A and 4 means 2 is greatest common divisor of A and 4. So 2 is common divisor of A and 4. It is greatest common divisor, so it is also common divisor. So this implies 2 divides A and 2 divides 4 because it is common divisor. Now this 2 divides A means A is equal to 2 into m for some odd integer m. So 2 A को डिवाइड कर रहा है तो A इवन नंबर ही रहने वाला है. So A is equal to 2 into m for some odd integer m. Now question arises, why m is odd? Why this m is odd? Now see, uh, let's prove this by contradiction. Why m is odd? If m is even, if m is even, then m is equal to 2 into k, where k is some integer. And this implies a is equal to 2 into m is equal to now 2 into 2k. So this implies a is equal to 4 into k. A 4 का multiple आ रहा है, so this implies 4 divides a, but 4 also divide 4. This implies 4 is common divisor of A and 4, but this is not possible. This is not possible because greatest common divisor of A and 4 is equal to 2. तो जो कॉमन डिवाइजर से A and 4 के उसमें से जो ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर है वो 2 है. सो 4 इज कॉमन डिवाइजर ऑफ A and 4. ये कभी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा क्योंकि ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर ही 2 है. सो 4 कॉमन डिवाइजर होने ही नहीं वाला. So m is even is not possible. So m has to be odd. This implies thus our A is equal to 2 into m can be written as 2 into, now m is odd, so odd number has the form 2x plus 1, where x is some integer. Okay, this implies a is equal to 2 into 2x plus 1. Okay, suppose this is number 1. Now we also have GCD of B and 4 is equal to 2. So this implies 2 divides B and 2 divides 4. So this implies B is equal to now 2 into n, where this n is now odd integer. N is odd integer. Now why n is odd? Same argument for just like m. Why m is odd? We have already proved that why m is odd. Similarly, n has to be odd integer. This implies b is equal to 2 into, now n is odd, so n is equal to 2y plus 1 for some y belongs to z. y कोई तो integer रहेगा. Suppose b equal to 2 into 2y plus 1. Suppose this is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, what we get? In 1 we have a equal to 2 into 2x plus 1, and in 2 we have b equal to 2 into 2y plus 1. So from 1 and 2, what is the value of a plus b? A plus b is equal to 2 into 2x plus 1 plus 2 into 2y plus 1. So simplify this. This is 4x plus 2 plus 4y plus 2. So this is 4x plus 4y plus 4. So is equal to 4 in bracket x plus y plus 1. So a plus b is equal to 4 into some integer. This implies 4 divides a plus b. Okay. But 4 also divides 4. So this shows that 4 is now common divisor. Common divisor of a plus b and 4. 4 दोनों ही नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहा है, so 4 is common divisor of a plus b and 4. Now 4 is also greatest common divisor of a plus b and 4. Why? Because there is no number greater than 4 which divides 4. ये 4 को डिवाइड करने वाला ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर 4 ही है. सो दोनों नंबर को, जो दोनों a प्लस बी एंड 4, उनको डिवाइड करने वाला जो ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर होने वाला है वो 4 ही होने वाला है, क्योंकि 4 से बड़ा नंबर 4 को कभी डिवाइड नहीं करेगा. सो दिस इंप्लाइज greatest common divisor of a plus b and 4 is equal to 4. यहाँ पे आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं रीजन व्हाई, बिकॉज 4 is the greatest number. 4 is the greatest number that divides 4. That divides 4. और वो 4 a plus b को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है. So 4 is the greatest common divisor of a plus b and 4. Okay. So proof is complete. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.